how to talk better to the camera. That's exactly what we're going to be talking about in this video, and we are getting started right now. So exactly how do you get better at talking to the camera? It's really not that difficult. Most people place too much emphasis and they stress themselves out. And how do I do these things? And how can I make myself much better at what I'm trying to accomplish? It's really not that difficult. It's really not that hard. Take a breath, relax, and I'm going to give you 3 tips that are going to make you so much more confident on camera. Tip number 1, talk about a topic that you are confident in. Here's what I mean. If you're going to talk about whatever the subject matter is, make sure that A, you are very confident in your knowledge about that topic. Because if you don't know what you're talking about, that's going to come across real easy to your audience. They're going to be able to spot really quickly you don't know what you're talking about. And you don't want to be that person. Seriously, you don't want to be that person. But you might be asking, hey, Jory, what if I am not confident in that area? I don't know enough about the topic. It's really easy. In today's world of information, just go online, do a quick Google search, learn a little bit more about that topic, and then practice talking about that topic before you actually get in front of the camera. One of the biggest tips I will give my clients and my students is make sure you know what you're talking about. This way, you will be confident in front of the camera, because the worst thing you can do is get in front of that camera and just start trying to ad-lib whatever the subject matter is you're talking about. It's not going to work. It's not going to come across clear because you don't know what you're talking about. For example, I am not really versed in auto mechanics. I wouldn't be able to tell you very much about carburetors or the electrical system in the car. I just don't know that kind of stuff. So if I start rambling on about that or try to talk to you about that, you're going to see really quickly that I just don't know what I'm talking about. And one of the ways that you can tell, and your audience is going to pick up on it really quick, is you tend to start looking around at other areas. You start going, and they're going to pick up on that really, really quick. So make sure that you are confident in the information that you are going to be talking about, because that's going to translate 100% on camera. Tip number 2. This is a big one. If you don't pay attention to anything else that I say in this video, listen to me now. You want to get yourself into a better state. Now, what exactly do I mean? I mean, you want to get yourself into a really good mood. And one of the best and easiest way that I have found to do that is just to simply listen to some uplifting music. Now, when I'm talking about uplifting music, I'm talking about whatever music that you personally like to listen to that puts you in a certain mood. And the mood that you're looking for is one that you feel jazzed and energized and happy. Those are the kind of songs that I want you to listen to. I know this sounds really simple and really kind of counterintuitive, because I know one of the things that we have is if we think something is easy, it can't possibly work. But it's the simple little things, the simple little tricks and tips that you can do that are usually the most effective. So trust me on this one. Put on some headphones, listen to some really great tunes. It'll pump you up. It'll get you in the mood. It'll change your state. And that's going to come across on camera. Your audience is going to be able to see, wow, this person is really upbeat. This person's really happy. They're in a really good state. So it's going to come across really good, and it's going to make this energy that you have is going to transfer over on camera. That's exactly what you want to do. Now, if you want to go deeper into this exact kind of thing, I have a 5-day camera confidence mastery challenge that you can take. It's completely free. Others have paid $197 for it, but like I said, you can have it completely free. All you need to do is go to cameraconfidence.com upliftingmastery.com. Sign up for free, take the 5-day challenge, and in less than 5 days, you are going to know exactly how to be confident on camera. And if you want to know more information, I'll put the link down below as well. And finally, tip number 3, make sure you maintain eye contact with that camera. Let me explain why. You're not actually talking to a camera, you're talking to another human being, a person on the other end of that camera. And one of the worst things you can do is not maintain eye contact, because how you build rapport with the person is eye contact. You look at them, right? When you're talking to a friend or family member, do you kind of just drift off and look at other things and focus on other things while you're talking to them? I don't think so. Do the same thing when you're on camera. Maintain the eye contact, because it's the best way to build rapport with your audience, like I'm doing right now. So if you like this video and you want to see more of this kind of stuff, make sure that you watch this video right over here. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you inside of the Camera Confidence Mastery 5-day challenge. Again, I'll leave the link down below if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.